Hey guys, welcome back to Unpicker Designs. On this video, I'll be doing a DIY Barbie Girl Inspired Dress step-by-step tutorial. I'm gonna start out sketching, but I decided to just sketch out the bow. I won't be including the cape because it's not practical for me and I want to wear this dress actually for an outing that I have planned. I just googled a variety of black Barbies and I stopped on this one because I feel like it just represents a Barbie girl dress. Right now we're going to be cutting. I've already made the pattern of the dress, so I'm just going to lay out the pattern I've already made and I'm going to be cutting out the fabric. Right now I'm just cutting out the front part of the dress, so this will be on the fold of the fabric. I'm just gonna cut out this part and you'll see what I mean. And the fabric will fold open and that'll be the front part. Now I'm just gonna be cutting out the back part, the back pieces of the dress. So you see that I'm holding a ruler. I'm making sure that there is at least some 1 inch space allowance. That is where I'm going to be placing the zip. So that's going to be the back part of the dress, and you see that I'm actually cut out on the side. So right now I'm just cutting out the collar for the dress. I need to cut out 2 pieces actually. I think I've already cut out the other. So I'm just gonna be laying them out so I can pin them together. So those are my big pieces. I've just joined them. Those are my collar pieces. I'm going to take those pieces and take them to the machine so I can sew the side seams together. So once I'm done, that's how it looks. I'm going to sew the back part of the dress. And I'm just gonna allocate where I'm gonna put in the zip. Right now I'm just sewing on the back side, the lower back side. I saw that I actually tried the dress on, and that's why I'm going to be reducing the side around below the armpit towards the waist. So I'm just gonna trim that a bit. I want that part to be a little bit tighter. And here I'm making the back bow of the dress. Just trying to figure out how large I want the bow to be and if it will be suitable for the dress. I'm just cutting out some excess fabric and some fabric on the side. I'm gonna make 2 bows and place them together because I felt that this fabric was a little soft than I had expected. So I'm just gonna create 2 bows. I'm gonna sew on each side. I've already sewed on 3 sides of the bows, and I'm gonna close each bow up like it's a pillowcase. And after I've pinned the other bow, I'm gonna pin the other one as well, and I'm gonna take it to the sewing machine after that. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to get another piece of fabric so it can tie the bow in the middle. On this step, I'll be joining the bow with the dress. Like I said previously, I made 2 bows, so I just want to join the 2 bows together on the top part so they don't move separately. And then once I'm going to add on some tiny metal clips that I'm going to attach to the bow and the neck, the collar of the dress at the back. So that's where I'm going to situate the bow, and I'll be able to remove it as I wish. magic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair and take me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.